Hello, this is Dennis Gag once again of the National Brotherhood of Fathers' Rights. Today's video is about legal separation versus divorce. A legal separation and divorce are exactly the same thing, except in the legal separation situation, you cannot become remarried. That's an important distinction. A lot of people do that. They stay married with a legal separation because of religious reasons, because of insurance reasons, health reasons. There's really lots of reasons. But the bottom line is that you can't become remarried. Now, when you file for a legal separation, all the same things are included as they are in a divorce. Parenting plan for the kids, property settlement, division of assets and debts. Anything that goes into a divorce is usually done in a legal separation, except again, you cannot become remarried. Now, if you file a legal separation and you're legally separated for a number of years, you can convert the legal separation into a divorce, usually by filing some kind of a motion or a petition to the court. It's a simple motion to convert legal separation into divorce. It's a rubber stamp, no brainer. Usually there's a waiting period of a couple weeks to get into court or something, and it's done. It varies from state to state, but it's fairly simple. That's all explained in my copy of the book, The Father's Rights Protection System. You can order that on this page. There's a little green link on the surface of this video. You click on that, it'll take you to another page outlining the details of my book. It'll cover more about legal separation versus divorce. Now, getting back to legal separations and such, when we say legal separation, we're talking about a formal situation. We're not talking about being physically separated. People physically separate, they stay married, they don't file any paperwork, they don't do anything, they share the kids or whatever, they just physically separate and they go their own separate ways. That's just a physical separation. That's not a legal separation. So what you got to be aware of in a situation like that is that you're not protected. The wife could be out there running up debts and whatever, and you're still liable in a lot of states under the Uniform Commercial Code, the UCC. A lot of people don't know about that distinction. In a divorce situation, in a lot of states, even if it's a community property state or not, as long as you're still married and you're separated, you have at least an equitable obligation for the debt she might be ringing up. So you separate, you think things are cool, whatever, she's out doing her own thing, ringing up $50,000 worth of credit card debt. At the very least, some creditor may contact you and try to collect it, and you're going to have to do a fancy dance to try to get out of it. Okay, so it's best if you're separated to legally separate or divorce. At least that's what a lot of fathers have done, providing legal information for you based on what other people have done. I'm not trying to tell you what to do in any way, shape, or form. Consult with your local attorneys and such. But if you obtain a copy of the Father's Rights Protection System, that book will give you exact case histories, examples, templates, forms, mainly stories about what other guys have done in these exact kind of situations where you can mimic success and avoid failure. So again, on the bottom of this video, there's a little green strip. Click on that. It'll take you to another page, another video explaining the Father's Rights Protection System. It'll show you pictures of the book and a description. If you order that, you'll get a free case analysis with me personally. You can call me on the phone. We'll go through some things and get you going in the right direction. Thanks for viewing. See you on the next video.